Welcome this video front door pouch plants and entrance inspire. The entrance to your home set the tone for everything that line beyond. It's the first impression guests receive and the space that welcome you home even day. Whether you have a simple pouch, a scroll front spot, or just a simple door load inside give attach to your front door area with thoughtful place pouch that plants can inside elevate your cup appear and create a warm and white atmosphere. We explored how you can transforming your front entrance away use pouch style and simple design technology that reference your personal and complement your home interior when front door pouch material plants are more than just decor then add live textile and personal to a space place that need your front door can enhance cup appear well choose plants can inside make a home feel more published and welcome. Reference your style for minimize modern place to overflower that varies. Your plants choose space volume. Create a seasoning bomb with reference seasoning. Plants your entrance away can elevate throughout the year. Those something group and playful about walk, throwing a living gardening to any your home, whether you're gardening pro or are toting beyond that away to incorporating plants into your entrance away. Whether you are gardening pro or are toting beyond to incorporating plants into your entryway. Choose the right porch is just as important as the plants itself. When pick plants pouch for your first door. Consider material, pouch and stick, lightweight and enduring, good for long. Consider construction and stood and elevate through best of Promax agreement, much and modern but hard up or restrict depend on the climax. Size, long pouch make up both statement and request loss water. Smart pouch can be growing for an electric look but mean out fast. Color or simple. Make controllers the pouch with your front door color, house, interior, or outdoor furniture. White or black pouch often a modern classic look. Tone complement rustic and modern style. Bring color can be playful and ice catch. Best plants for front door appear. The best pouch door plants depend on your climate, sun, expiring and style professional. Here are popular for various consider. Sun love plants, agreeing style and low main entrance. Boxwood thropping, elegant and structure, great for seasoning. Structure great in hot during seasoning style. Idea, switch up your front door pouch with the seasoning. Keep your entrance away fresh and fresh. Season various applying like geometric and letting tropical plants like orangutans eyes. Main entrance tip to keep your entrance away look fresh and not forgetting. Water regulating in hot water or with simple pouch. Use self water pouch or depend agreeing if you are often away. Switch plants to remove during and structure.